In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix website. Whether you want to include a podcast, background music, or any audio feature, this video will guide you through each step of the process to ensure you're up and running in no time. To start, you'll need to head over to the Wix website editor. Simply log into your Wix account and select the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button. It should be on the left-hand side of your screen. This is your gateway to adding a wide variety of elements to your website, including audio. Once the Add menu opens up, you'll see several categories. You'll want to click on Video and Music. This section is not only for videos, but also for various audio components, notably audio players that allow visitors to engage with your media easily. Within the Video and Music section, you'll see an option for audio players. Click on it, and a selection of different audio player templates will appear. These templates vary in style and functionality, so you can choose one that fits the aesthetic and purpose of your site. After selecting a template, the audio player widget will appear on your web page. But you're not done yet. You now need to customize it to play your specific track. To do this, click on the audio player, and a settings menu will pop up. Here, look for the Change Track option. By clicking this, you'll have the option to modify the track that will be played through this widget. Next, you'll need to upload the audio file that you wish to use. You can also choose an image that will be displayed while the track is playing, adding a nice visual element. Consider selecting an image relevant to the audio content, or perhaps something that complements your website's theme. Once you've uploaded your track, ensure that everything looks and sounds exactly how you want it. In the audio player settings, there will be an option to play in loop. Enabling loop playing is particularly useful if your audio is intended to serve as continuous background music. With everything in place, don't forget to preview the changes. This will enable you to see how the audio player looks on your live site and ensure the functionality is just how you envisioned it. If you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and publish your website, making your new audio feature live for all your visitors to enjoy. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added audio to your Wix website, enhancing the experience for your visitors with a rich auditory element. Whether for entertainment, information, or ambiance, your site now has a dynamic new feature that adds depth and engagement.